All right, Daredevils, you're on your own. You're going to start reading and learning about gravity and design. As you read through this passage, remember to pay particular attention to that topic sentence, the sentence that is in blue. It will give you a main idea as to what this section is about. When you're finished with the gravity and design section, please proceed on to the height and energy section. Again, looking at that blue key phrase at the beginning. You're also going to read about Lamarcus Thompson. I'm not going to tell you a whole lot about it. You'll just have to read on your own. When you're finished, you're going to stop and think. What was important in these two sections? You're going to go back to your gravitational graffiti wall and you're going to post images, phrases, whatever you think was important to help you recall what you learned in these last two sections. You're going to continue on like that as you read about high and low hills, super fast speeds, stop and think, add a gravitational graffiti, direction and acceleration, turns and loops, stop and think, gravitational graffiti, sharp turns, feeling G-forces. Ooh, that sounds exciting. Stop and think, gravitational graffiti, get drawing. And then as we wrap up, we're heading towards the end of the ride. Read about it, think about forces and fun, and do your final stop and think on your gravitational graffiti wall. Once you're finished with that, proceed to the next slide. Have fun and get creative.